Lego City Fire Truck to the Rescue by Sonia Sander. Call 911 right away. The firefighters can save the day. Oh no! Smoke is in the air. There is a fire in the city. The fire alarm rings. The firefighters are on their way. One by one, they jump into action. They slide down the pole. The firefighters dress in a flash. They grab their hats and boots. Room, room. The fire truck is ready to go. Woo! Honk, honk. The fire truck races down the road. There is no time to lose. It is time to fight the fire. Roll out the hoses. Turn on the water. Swish! Bang! Crash! Break down the door. Go fight the fire. Up goes the ladder. One brave firefighter saves the cat. Look high up in the sky. Here comes even more help. Water sprays all over. The fire starts to die down. At last, the fire is out. The tired firefighters head home. It has been a very long day. The firehouse is quiet for now. Only a few soft snores can be heard. The end.
Please subscribe.